Today we're unboxing a special package from my new friend over at Unfinished. Abdel has sent me a monitor riser, which is super exciting. I've been on the hunt for one for a while. The company is called Unfinished because they make their products very much finished. In fact, I'm not gonna do anything to mine, but they leave them unfinished so you can stain them whatever color you want, you can paint them whatever color you want, you can add your creativity to the creativity that's already here. So special thanks to Unfinished for sending me this. I'm excited to get into it, to put it together, which you'll see takes 10 seconds, he said. This is just a really exciting company and a really exciting product, and I'm excited to dive in. So let's get into it. Before we do though, on this channel, we talk about tech from a minimalist and intentional living perspective. Obviously, a monitor stand isn't necessarily tech, but it fits the vibe of what you all enjoy. So if that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing and like this video for more. When I found this company, I was just super pumped. I like what they're doing. Everything's handmade in San Diego, I believe. Yes, San Diego, California, which is super cool. Wow, look at that. Thank you for the support. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's cool. So he has actually sent it to me already put together, which is nice. So let's slide that there. So here is the monitor stand. You've got a couple different, this is like the longer one, I believe. Wow, it feels really nice. This one's the oval version. There's also a squared off version. There's also a version that comes with an extra shelf here as well. So a few different configurations you can use. You can see that he shipped it put together already, but really this is, I don't know if yours would come put together, but it's as simple as 3 parts, right? And if I think you get the one with the shelf, I think it's 4 parts. So really simple, and all of their products are like this. They don't just make monitor stands, they also make bookshelves, they make end tables, coffee tables. All of them are super, super duper easy to put together, like so. And again, as you can see, it is a sort of unfinished wood texture, nicely sanded. It's nice and smooth here, but if I wanted to add primer to this and paint it, if I wanted to stain it to perfectly match, whether it's this bamboo top of this desk, or if maybe I had a maple desk or something, I could stain it that sort of dark maple color. So you can really work with this to finish it in a way that fits your space. There's not much here, which you all know I love. Very minimal. It's going to get the job done. A few other features here, of course, with any sort of desktop riser, it not only gets your screen up higher so you're not looking down, you're more ergonomically working throughout the day. It also gives you under storage space, so you could put your keyboard under there while you're not using it. If you have any sort of dock or something, you could slide those under there. Gives you more space back on your desk. I like the wooden, not wooden, the oval design. I think that looks really cool actually, but like I said, they do have squared off versions as well. Yeah, so before we go any further, if you want to pick yours up, link in the description, you'll get a certain percentage off, and of course it helps the channel as well. I did receive this product for free, thanks Abdel, so take that as you may. I was just really excited to find this company, and I actually reached out to them. I personally want to become best friends with the company and have them send me any new product they make in this unfinished look, and just have this look be like my look. I think this looks so nice how it is. Now, obviously, you know, it's not really protected how it is. You know, we got to put a coaster on there if we're going to put a drink on there or not, and let it sort of build character over time with the use that it gets. But I don't know. I mean, this, I don't know why, just the simplicity. And maybe you could go out and make this yourself, but not with the love and dedication that this company has, I can guarantee that. So last thing I want to do. So obviously it helps with your productiveness. They've got other products here, which by the way, something I did want to do. I have pulled up, because like I said, I was looking for a laptop or monitor stand like this for a while, but they are so dang expensive. So Ugmonk sells cards and stuff. They have a stand that I thought looked nice. It's metal, I think, $329. Setup Cockpit from Balolo is a new company I've started to learn more about. $219. Which isn't bad actually. The desk shelf from Grovemade. Grovemade's a big player in this sort of desk setup space. Their stuff looks really nice, don't get me wrong. $390 with no desk tray, large, expensive. And here is the current one you're looking at, 42-inch without shelf, and it's oval, 99 bucks. I mean, it's just fantastic. I mean, look at this. So here's the more squared off one that you're seeing now. Here's it. There's the one with the shelf, which I think also looks super cool. Just 4 pieces of wood. Man, okay. I also, while we're doing this, forgive me, but like, let's come through here. This is their whole idea, right? So here's like the unfinished version of this stool, in table, seat. And then here, you know, the possibilities, people taking it, making it their own, painting it different colors. So it'd be great for like a kid's room. It'd be great for like a meeting space for your colleagues. If you follow them on Instagram, there's a ton of videos of them like putting it together and how simple and easy it is. The coffee table looks fantastic. Bedroom bundle. They got bundles, and I've talked to the founder as well, and he's like, dude, I've got a lot of ideas on the way too, which just has me so excited. I said, dude, if you make a desk, let me be your first customer. Like, I don't know why I'm geeking about this. If you all have been around the channel for a while, you know there are some products that I don't like so much, and there are some products that I rave about, and they're just my honest opinion. Like, I wouldn't be raving if I wasn't actually super excited about this really simple company that makes minimal products, but I don't know. I love it. And I just think it fits, you know, and I think you can make it fit in any space as well. So anyway, oh, this is cool. Order your pieces, style, transform your pieces. They give you some inspiration, and then assemble. I mean, this stool has 3 pieces as well. These like bookshelf end table things have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. They've got a good mission, you know, sustainability, design. I've talked a lot about potentially getting a new house in the coming months, years with the family, and I would love to have like an office studio and just be decked out in unfinished stuff. I think that'd be so sick. Anyway, that's gonna do it. Thanks so much again to Unfinished for sending this product out to me. I'm super excited. Should I just leave it here for all my reviews? Like, hey, no, probably not. Maybe, who knows? Thanks so much to Abdel and the team over at Unfinished for sending this out. I'm excited to be working with you guys on videos now and potentially in the future as well. Again, if you'd enjoyed this product or any product, link in the description to pick yours up, certain percentage off, and it will help the channel as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, hit that like button for more, watch this video next. I think you're gonna love it, and I'll see you all in the next one.